Hello. Good morning. Welcome to TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. My name is Alvin Ng, and this is my channel talking about a few of the currency pairs that I watch very closely. Right. Uh, so I'm actually watching the Euro USD right now, and this is some of my feedback on how I analyze the market. The Euro is making a U-turn recently. In front of me, I have the Euro dollar in a weekly chart. What has happened in the recent months is price has been coming down, and this has started since February 2008. February 2018, and it's been coming down all the way down and down. As you can see, I've drawn a channel. Channel has given me an indication of where price is moving now. What has happened in the last few months, and this is since February and March this year, is price has moved down and it's moved sideways. This is where the coronavirus was happening. In the last 2 months, price have made a slight U-turn. It has retested this trend line here where my mouse is right now. It has retested the downward channel, but price officially made a confirmation of a new higher high as of last week. And as you can see, where I've put my level, price gave me a very nice and strong bullish bar to confirm that it has broken through the last level. Right, so prices usually test the last high, and now it has given us a new higher high. And the fact that it's given me such strong bullish bar, this is usually a strong conviction where buyers are in. There were so many buyers in there that it has pushed the price not just a little bit higher, but so much so that you have a very small tail on both ends. That means price close where the high is, right? There is now strong confirmation that price will continue to go higher. Okay, uh, I I am recording this video a little bit later. Now is Monday morning in Asia, so this new bar is the new bar for this week. Nonetheless, my bias is bullish. I am going to go down to the daily chart, and as you can see, the daily chart price is just moving higher and higher and higher. Okay, very nice price action. I'm very interested, and let's see what entry points I can find to take this higher. Okay, so that's my bias on the euro. We have right. This is pound dollar. For those who have been following me, pound dollar, I've drew a nice descending triangle. Price didn't do much until well, I would say it's due in the pattern whereby I drew a very nice range here. Price is in the middle of breaking a high. My initial target was that price would break into this box where my downward trend is now. Each price action is different. While euro is moving higher, my pound dollar is it's not as bullish. But my view is that I want to see how price would test this upper limit here before taking any further action. And price is moving there, so let's see what I get. Okay, so this is pound. If I were to move into dollar, move into the daily chart, this is very nice, as in I could actually take, I'll wait for price to move higher, maybe come back to retest this horizontal line here. This line is sitting around 1.28, right? Price to go higher, retest it to move upwards. That would give me a very nice entry, right? So that is something I've been watching. Nothing in particular in the 4-hour chart yet. I will just keep my eye on that. Next is the gold. Again, gold similar to euro dollar. I had a very nice ceiling here, this purple color box, and price seems to have broke it with conviction. So sorry, back on the weekly chart, price gave me a very nice long bullish bar again. Again, this new bar is the weekly, is the new week, so I'm ignoring that for now. This long bullish bar was the close from last week. Again, this is Monday morning in Asia, which is technically GMT 0. Sorry, it is GMT 0 at 12:30 a.m. Okay, so nothing has happened yet, but these are strong indications of where price is going for me. I'm going to take this bullish. For those who have been following me, I had a range somewhere here, and price. So this is 1700. So 1750. Similarly, price would have went higher. I would have waited for a pullback before it goes higher. Right. So pullbacks is one of the few price action that I look for. Price is moving very nicely higher. Nothing to comment. It is what it is. If you can't see the trend, then always look at the whole chart. Price is moving from bottom left to top right, and it's a strong confirmation that this market is bullish. I just need to trade my rules and find a nice entry. So at this stage, I will look at a pullback. Price would come back to retest maybe before I take it higher, and that would give me some very nice entries. Okay, so that's on the gold. Last but not least, my cross, which is the euro pound. I constantly watch the cross because as and when the majors and minors stall, the crosses will create new opportunities, and that's typically what happens. In this case, I am looking for price to test this upper range, the ceiling, before I find some short entries, as price has been ranging very nicely. Until then, nothing from euro pounds, and I will leave it as that. Okay, so I hope this is interesting. If you have any further questions, do comment and ask me below. Do subscribe to my channel, or like this post, and I hope to hear more from you guys. Alright, thank you very much and happy trading.